Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You, and there is a big news again which is coming here from Infosys. So Infosys has again opened the form for 2026 batch BE, Btech, ME, Mtech, MSC, and MCA. Infosys is hiring for SP and DSC role. So this is the same hiring, okay? And this particular link was closed, and Infosys had postponed all the exams, right? So many people had the exams that was postponed, and some people had already given the first round, waiting for second round did not happen. Some people had given the interview, but the result did not come, right? And then Infosys, in between, what they did, so they had close this link, survey link, and now the survey link is again open, right? So there is nothing big or nothing great in this particular hiring or the news, because most of you have already applied. The one who has not applied, for them I'll just tell you, friends. So it is for 2026 batch, right? So which batch? Bhaiya, 2026 batch, okay? And who all can apply? BE, Btech. BE, Btech is same only, okay? ME, Mtech, okay? ME, Mtech, MSC and MCA, MSc and MCA. So for these people, now you can go ahead and apply. But those who has already applied, looks like your exams or your interview or your second round is going to happen soon, okay? Otherwise they would not have opened this link, right? So you also know this link was closed, and now if you'll see, this link is again open, this link is again active. Earlier it was telling page did not found, but now if you see, the page is found. So what I'm expecting that your so if you're waiting for the first round, so probably from this month end, okay, first round, okay, first round. If you're waiting for your first round, if you are waiting for your second round, okay, if you are waiting after results of the interview, okay, then everyone now please be attentive, okay? So at any point of time, this will start, because they have again started the this particular link, they have made it active, and this indicates that, okay, so they are going to again start with the process. But this time definitely the exams might not happen online, because Infosys clearly said they found malpractices during the examination, and now Telegram is also not available for for 1 week in India. So I don't know, like that might be also a reason. So Infosys will conduct the online examination, because most of the cheating happens through the Telegram, and also it happens through the AI platforms, right? So but anyway, that is not related here, because they cannot schedule the exams so quickly within a week of time, okay? So anyway, you keep preparing. Things seems positive, and don't hear people like, AI will take off the job, because of AI the hiring has reduced. भैया ऐसा नहीं होगा, otherwise सारे के सारे jobless होंगे, and nobody will be able to manufacture or make any product, and nobody will be able to buy any product. भाई पूरा का पूरा economic collapse कर जाएगा, and हम लोग कटोरा लेके हाथ में कॉलेज के गेट के बाहर बैठे रहेंगे, right? Okay, thank you, take care, all the very very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself.